Hey guys, I'm here at the movie theater. I brought some healthy brownies and I'm gonna surprise the extra butter team to see if they can figure out what the secret healthy ingredient is in them. Come on, let's go.
I couldn't believe it, Parasite
Hey
won after all
guys.
of... Hey! What's the meaning of this?
Well, I brought some healthy brownies. Let's get the Cokes out of the way.
Do you guys know who this is?
Yes, Megan Evans.
From Megan Unprocessed.
That's right.
Yeah, so I've got some healthy brownies
get
here.
This ick. Mark.
All right, what are we doing?
And I want you guys to sample it. One, I want to hear what you think. Could you tell they were healthy? And there's a secret ingredient, and I want to see if you can guess it.
All right. Are we gonna need a designated driver after the ingredient?
Which half do you want?
Okay,
no.
Which half of the plate do you want? I want this half.
I'll go this half then.
Okay.
Okay.
Lance?
Oh,
You want the corner?
Lance Woods in the corner.
yeah.
Are we gonna try it
Kelly.
at the same time?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's bomb.
What do you think? Can you tell they're healthy?
I can't tell
No,
they're
they
healthy.
taste too good to be healthy.
Yeah, and they're super rich and creamy. Usually healthy foods don't have that rich, creamy texture, only
Yes.
sugar.
I don't
Yeah.
throw the word moist around very often, but these are moist.
But these are moist.
We could do without
There's a
more.
moistness to this
Yeah.
Yeah.
that is moistifying.
Okay, give us options.
Okay, so is there avocado? Is there sweet potato? Lentils?
Sweet
What do you-
potato.
I'm gonna go sweet potato.
Yeah.
Sweet potato.
I'll go in sweet potato.
Okay, I'll go
Sweet
lentil.
potato.
I'm gonna go lentil. It's lentil.
Mark, you are right. It's
Oh.
lentils. Lentils. Could you imagine there's no flour? It's actually
There's
just
no flour.
no flour at all in there.
And I only went lentil because I wanted to be different
no
than her.
flour.
Yeah, no flour.
It's a different kind of white
So
powder
they're
in
high
here.
protein, high fiber. They're not made with any refined sugar. There's no gluten. These are a good for you treat that would be great for Valentine's Day.
Ooh.
To get this recipe and more of my recipes, you can go to abc10.com/meg.